Ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for spending time with me today. I got a little garden back there that, just a little hobby, fresh food, tomatoes, parsley, cilantro. Anyway, you're gonna see it. I'm gonna take you on a little tour of it. And I got chinsaga, which is a spider plant. Growing up in Kenya, we ate chinsaga. It's called a spider plant. It's a bitter herb. It's an acquired taste. But once in a while, I feel homesick. So I eat chinsaga. So join me on this one. Take you to my garden. Let's eat some organic food that I grew. What I was gonna say, get some wine, just cook. So yeah, in my backyard I got a little bit of a garden here. Tomatoes. I got a bunch of different variety tomatoes, heirloom. Those are heirloom tomatoes, plums. Hey, papi. Hi, papi. Yeah, some Roma tomatoes, and they're looking good. I'll have a good crop of tomatoes here very soon. Some collard greens, some sweet peppers, sage, parsley, more tomatoes, more tomatoes. So you see, you can actually grow a garden in a very small space and eat right. Oh, peppers, red peppers are coming along pretty well. Red bell peppers, should be able to harvest those for it anytime soon. Maybe I'll do a dish with those. Some. Hi. Oh, look at this. It's pretty. Collard greens again. Keep moving. That's a sweet pepper. Beautiful. So we are gonna concentrate on this guy. This is the spider plant, otherwise known as chinsaga. Well, let me give you another tour here. My little lounge area, little buckets here. I got cucumber. It's my cucumber. Something's eating them. Whatever. There's a small cucumber there. Give it a couple of days. I should be harvesting that one. I got, what else do I have down here? Yeah, looks good. Cantaloupe. It's a cantaloupe that's coming along. Cherry tomatoes. Those are good on salads. I love those on salads. What else? Fresh rosemary. Oh, chicken, fish, you name it. Oh, and over here is cilantro. I love cilantro. All right, let's go back here. And like I said, this is the spider plant, chinsaga. Growing up in Kenya, we ate this. It's a bitter herb. It's an acquired taste. So hang with me while I harvest this, guys. We're gonna cook it and take a trip back home. Thank you for spending time with me. Come on, let's go. All right, folks. Here's our harvest. Yeah, so you want the leaves, just the leaves. They're kind of like petal shaped. Grab them out, take out the stalk, tender. Yeah, that'll do. So it's kind of labor intensive, but it's worth it. That's a good bunch. So stay with me while I do this. Oh, it's not good. Yeah, there's definitely some medicinal value to this. They're very rich in iron, vitamins. My tribe, Kisii, and pretty much the greater Kenyan community has been eating chinsaga, spider plant for ages. It's a lot of yeah, a lot of folks used to say because of this rich in iron, they gave a lot of pregnant women ate chinsaga. So if you ever feel like you need iron, eat chinsaga. All right, let's cook this. Then get my satay pan. So we're gonna parboil this about 10 minutes. They're kind of tough, so 10 minutes. A little bit of water in there, in a satay pan. Parboil it. Then we're gonna hit it with some onions and tomatoes, and that's it. Onion, tomato, salt, and pepper, keeping it very simple. Yeah, so parboil it. Somewhere along the way, we're gonna reserve the liquid that comes out of it, and we're gonna use that to finish it up. Stay with me on this one, folks. This is gonna be a good one. Back to Kenya. As you can see, I'm going to serve it with a classic Kenyan beef stew. My dish today will be rice, beef stew, and chinsaga. So yeah, let's reserve some of this liquid. You could actually drink this. Very, 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 like I said, very rich in iron. You could drink this liquid. It's bitter, but hey, good stuff is not necessarily sweet for you. So I'll look at my beef stew. It's going nicely. Added some potatoes in there. Classic Kenyan beef stew with potatoes, chinsaga. So I'm gonna take this out, saute some onions, tomatoes, and we'll finish up the dish. Stay with me, guys. It's gonna be a good one. A little bit of oil. Straight up onions. Cook that down about 2 to 3 minutes till wilted. I'm gonna throw in some cherry tomatoes from the garden I showed you earlier. Oh, this is lovely. I picked those cherry tomatoes. That's gonna be sweeter. Knowing that I'm the one who grew this is good stuff. Saute that down till wilted, about 2 minutes or so. I'm gonna return the chinsaga in there, mix that up, saute that, cook it through. This is good eating, guys. Gonna cover that, let it simmer for about 5 minutes or so till the tomatoes wilt out and sweat out. It's looking good, coming along nicely. A little salt and pepper, finish up the dish. Simple, good, organic living. I cooked that dish with everything from a garden apart from the onions. Ah, this is lovely. Alright, I'm gonna finish this up and we're gonna serve this rice beef stew chinsaga, taking you way back to Kenya. Just cook BC. Thank you so much for spending time with me. Watch until the end, subscribe, comment, share, like, let me know, and here is the finished product. Hallelujah. I'm gonna eat me some food. Thank you so much.